Do you know the one question you must ask yourself before you launch a business? Take a guess at what it is. But don't trip, because of course I'm about to tell you. My name is Asia Abston, CEO of the Lux Life Academy, and I have helped over 2,000 digital entrepreneurs launch passive income streams. So stick around until the end of this video to learn the one game-changing question you have to ask yourself before you launch a business. And I'm going to teach you why dropshipping is the absolute best business model for brand new entrepreneurs to get into. Actually, I think I'm just ready to tell you now. You ready for the question? Here it is. Ask yourself, should I spend thousands of dollars on inventory if I have never sold a product before? Yeah, let's think about that. Even if you have been in sales before, you were likely in sales for a big company, right? Meaning the entire brand was not on the line if the offer didn't sell or you couldn't close the deal. There were safety nets in place and checks and balances and other employees, right? Behind a machine, not just you. If you are brand new to the sales world, you may be flushing thousands of dollars down the drain when you purchase inventory before you even have the foggiest idea how to actually sell. Now that we understand that, here's why dropshipping is an absolutely incredible business model for brand new entrepreneurs. Number one, it's financially 99% risk-free. And yes, you heard that right. And it's because you don't actually spend a dime on an order until the customer has already paid you for it. So you're never stuck with merch you can't sell, nor do you have to front cost just to get started. Secondly, you don't have to warehouse products because as dropshippers, our suppliers run our warehouses for us. Instead of having this massive monthly overhead cost, you can just put that money into where it really belongs, which is back into the business. The third reason is because there are zero barriers to entry. As dropshippers, we don't need fancy certificates or MBAs or government-approved licenses. There is absolutely nothing holding you back from tapping into this multi-billion-dollar per year business model. And my absolute favorite reason why dropshipping is the best business model for new entrepreneurs is location-independent income. You can operate a 6 or 7 figure brand from your iPhone. No need to ever be tied into one place. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. Do you think it makes sense to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on inventory upfront before you know anything about actually running an e-commerce business? I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, I've got so much more to teach you. Click here to watch my free 2-hour training that goes a lot more in depth on each of these touch points to give you the absolute best chance at getting started as a brand new dropshipper. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you inside the free training.
Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, hey, on the road.